Hey there crafters, today I will be showing you this new technique that I will be using to seal my sublimation keychains, right? So we will be using some UV resin. So from time to time, sublimation keychains, they chip on the side, they probably get scratched. So they don't hold up for like a very, very long time. But this technique might be helpful to keep the design, nice and fresh for a longer time. So I am going to be using some UV resin, and all you will need to do is to lay this on a flat surface, and we're just going to spread some UV resin over the keychain. So resin is pretty much self-leveling, but you want to ensure that you have a good amount on the keychain so you're not missing any of the coverage area. All right. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. Okay, so I have my little handy tool here that I will use to spread the resin evenly on the keychain so I don't miss any of the key areas that needs coverage. All right. So I want to make sure we're catching all the edges. So if you don't need the keychains for, an extended life use, then, by all means, you can keep the design as is with just the sublimation design, because sublimation is intended to be a longer lasting finish for your products or your projects. But I have seen where they deteriorate over time, and who wants to lose a keychain that they really like? So I'm just gonna go in to remove some bubbles with my lighter, and then we're gonna throw this under the UV light. All right, so we're gonna go with 90 seconds here, and we'll do the same thing for the other side. Okay, the first side is finished. I don't know if you can see that, but it gives it such a really nice glossy finish now that the resin has been added. So I'll repeat the process for this side. So I'm just getting some in, and then I'll use my tool to spread it evenly across the design. So you really don't need a lot, we're just sealing it. So this will allow you to, prevent easy scratches on your sublimation keychains. And I mean, that's entirely if you have the time and it's just like a nice unique single project, because if you're looking at like 100 keychains, this process could definitely be time consuming. So I'm not saying that this is ideal for larger projects, but for individual projects like this one, definitely worth trying. Okay. All right, so we're just gonna get rid of the bubbles now. And I think we covered all the edges, everything is covered. So we're just gonna go ahead and Okay, so the other side is finished. Okay, so we're grabbing some accessories to get this done. And the first thing you want to do is to attach the keychains, or the key ring, I should say. So let me give this a little bit more so it doesn't scratch my design. So we're just going to attach here and close it. Pretty. And we're not done. So we have this here that we're attaching as well, and a nice little tassel to go with it. Okay, so that is our keychain design. I hope this video was helpful and it's something that you will definitely try out. If you have smaller projects that you want to give a nicer finish and a proper seal, so your items will have a longer lifespan when you give it to your customers or your family or friends. All right, thanks for sticking with me through this video, and I will see you in the next one.